Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of On Sale Only. I decided to take a break today from Unity after last weekend's game jam. A new sale started today which most likely will run for a couple of days only, just like previous random sales. There's a lot of interesting things in this sale, so let's get started. So first up we have UI components for Game Creator. Now this is one you've seen me use in so many videos and I would recommend it to anyone using Game Creator. The minimap is one of the most used features, but it does cover a lot more than just a minimap. So I'd suggest watching my UI video, for example, to see what else you can do with it. But yeah, at $10, this is definitely one I'd recommend. Next up, we have 3 different MicroSplat modules. Now, personally, I absolutely love MicroSplat. I'm going to cover it in my Create a Game series as well. I initially already wanted to do that with terrain, but the video was already long enough. So, right now you'll see an example of what the scene looks like with some of the MicroSplat features. So on sale we have Trax, Mesh Terrain and HDRP support. Now Trax is what is giving this effect you're seeing in this video of literally leaving tracks, so manipulating the terrain for it to be an actual volume. Honestly, it kind of feels like magic. It's absolutely amazing, so I would definitely recommend that. And the other modules kind of depends. HDRP support is for HDRP users, and Mesh Terrain is something that will help you convert your terrain into a mesh. This is useful if you are creating enormous terrains and are facing performance issues, so good to keep in mind. Now when it comes to Trax, I do want to highlight that right now Trax does not work with HDRP. So if you do have an HDRP project, Trax will not work. Please keep that in mind. Next up we have MapMagic Objects. This is a module for MapMagic 2. If you see my video on creating a terrain for the Create a Game series, you see me using this module actually. Basically what it allows to do is if you have the free core MapMagic 2 assets, which allows you to create terrains and place grass and stuff like that, with objects you can place trees the same way, which can be seen in the video, and it also allows you to place rocks and all other types of objects the same way. So yeah, I'd recommend this if you are using MapMagic. It just completes the package really. Next up we have Polygon Samurai Pack. If you're a fan of the Polygon style made by Synty, then obviously I'd recommend this. Value for money in general is already amazing with their assets, and on sale it's even better. It's worth it if you are going for this style and you are going for this time period in your game. It's just amazing value for money, not much else to be said. Next up we have Prehistoric Animals. This is from the same developer that created the normal Polygon style animals that was in the fantasy bundle. So if you are going for that type of look and are looking for a good pack of animals in a prehistoric setting, comes with animations, the whole bunch, so yeah, definitely recommend this for anyone going for this style. Next up we have Pistol Animset Pro and Rifle Animset Pro. Cubed animations are generally really good quality, so hard to not recommend this to anyone. I actually picked up Rifle Animset Pro myself for a new Create a Game series, which I'll cover after this one is completed, which will be a cover third-person shooter. So these animations are pretty much essential for me to use, and yeah, it's worth picking up. And last but not least, we have Vehicle Physics 2. If you see my video on using a car in Game Creator, you'll see how essential it is to have some decent car physics. So if having a car is important to your game, this is definitely highly recommended. Check out their videos on the different behaviors, for example, but generally speaking, this is really good quality and actually looks pretty professional to me. These are my picks from this week's sale. Obviously there's a lot more out there, but I can't cover all 60 assets. Definitely check it out. 50% off an asset you had your eyes on can definitely help you save some money. So thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.